More than 700 days work, and Radhika is asking me to give brief introduction of the seminar conference. American Concrete Institute President and Executive Vice President, if I can add my friend Ron, celebrity of the conference, Suru, Dr. Surendra Shah, Dorothy Shah, President of India Chapter, Chetan, Vice President of India Chapter, Pankaj Shah, Honorary Secretary, Mr. Professor Vanwari, and immediate past President, Mohan Jacob. My fellow concrete practitioners from India and abroad. At the outset, I must confess that I am, or rather, we at India chapter of ACI are humbled by overwhelming and quantitative and qualitative response to this inaugural Aryan Riker Memorial Conference and Dr. Suru Shah Symposium. Response from all over the world, nooks and corners of the country, and cross-section of the matrix of concrete practitioners in the Indian subcontinent. And friends, this response is more noteworthy. Actually, I am going to request the organizers to put some more chairs because I know for sure there are some people who have started traveling yesterday night are still to reach over here and die in numbers. So friends, this response is more noteworthy as these are the days of knowledge explosion. And hence, several concurrent meets nationally and internationally are attracting and dividing attention and presence of astute practitioners for such conferences. I get reminded of what Mahatma Gandhi said, find the purpose and the means follow. Yes, friends, the purpose and the only purpose here is to have technology walk in and out for the posterity and for new gen concrete practitioners of India, which is today the epicenter of concrete activity along with her neighboring country, China. Friends, all of us are aware that many global interests are ready to establish their outreach to this busy hub of activity where more than 350 million tons of cement and corresponding concrete is gainfully placed annually. This is a win-win situation for technology, may it be for giver or for user or acceptor. And that's exactly why we are embarking on this inaugural technical, or you may say technological, extravaganza to be continued on biennial basis to keep the memory alive of a visionary who toiled for this cause. Yes, folks, we are referring to one and only honorary fellow of several international societies and also honorary fellow of ACI, Ramesh Narayan Riker. He was possessed by the dream of BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, before the term was ever coined. On several travels abroad and in India with me, he would lament about the state of the art in India and hope about what can happen if the inherently intelligent and hardworking engineering community of India can be duly aligned to make a strong magnet out of it to lead the country's progress effectively and set a blazing international example. He was an enlightened person like Buddha or Prophet Muhammad or Lord Krishna, who could clearly see ahead of his time, contemporary time, and here we are today, indeed seeing his prophecy coming true in terms of advances being made practically possible in this very country, which hitherto were considered quixotic. For example, I have several examples. I'll quote one. For example, in Indian scenario, where fly ash has become an integral part now, was blasphemized to ash as an impurity in pious and pure ordinary Portland cement. I remember one of the first efforts was done in India in the form of National Seminar on Fly Ash by India chapter when the nation was even not ready to comprehend the idea. Fortunately, I was part of the movement and the BIS committee meeting was held in Mumbai instead of Delhi as a deviation from general norm. Another example, it's a larger example. It would not be exaggeration if I say that he is the one person who is responsible to reach American Concrete Institute to nooks and corners of the country. When he started, the name was not known at all, and this reach of his is now in position for us to outreach the country for the support. That is Aryan Riker, my friends. And that is his reverence to technology and who make it happen. He had tremendous respect for genius and particularly our Indian brain, which drained due to personal necessities, however, made a mark on the course of concrete history of the world. Several illustrious sons of Mother India come to mind. Several illustrious sons of Mother India come to mind, who have immensely enriched concrete and related material science by their glorious contributions of lifetime work. It is only appropriate to salute and felicitate them in front of their own national admirers, young practitioners, students, and future nation builders to create an urge in them to follow the illustrious footsteps of the heroes. And friends, who else could be more inspiring in the inaugural episode than the Master of Masters, our own internationally acclaimed, may it be East, West, our friend, philosopher and guide to all, Dr. Surendra P. Shah. We are indeed privileged to have acceptance from him to allow us to honor him by organizing this symposium. It is the charisma that he has, which is of course due to his relentless quality work of 5 decades and ever-helping attitude to generations of his students and industry collaborators that made our task doable to garner the overwhelming technical support to this event. Contributions from about 100 scientists, concrete practitioners from 40 nationalities is probably a testimony of goodwill to Mr. Aryan Riker, respect to Dr. Surendra Shah, Suru, and acknowledgement to the hubbing activities of Mother India. Like mentioned earlier, find the purpose and means follow. Once the idea was crystallized, the support from stalwarts as well as cadres throughout the country and outside the country was overwhelming. Practitioners from more than 40 countries accepted to serve on international organizing committee and were actually present in a committee meeting held in Minneapolis during ACI convention on 16th April 2013. ACI President and ACI Executive Vice President Ron also were present in that meeting. Nationally, the media coverage throughout India was outstanding, and the spontaneous support from industry and academia was heartwarming. We are very grateful to one and all and request continued support for the forthcoming events. Thanks are due to American Concrete Institute, ACI, Korean Concrete Institute, KCI, and ISTRUCT-E, Institution of Structural Engineers UK, for officially supporting the event. We are indeed delighted to have President Dr. Anne Ellis and Executive Vice President Dr. Ronald Berg to open this conference and are thankful to them. Friends, listen to me carefully. I very strongly recommend that all of you take utmost benefit of their knowledge and their presence here, and I assure you they will be also very happy to interact with chapter members and the delegates. Finally, I hope that this tradition of making an effort for technology transfer, honoring outstanding ignited minds of India, and keeping alive memory of a visionary, Ramesh Raikar, Honorary Fellow of ACI, will be kept ongoing by the posterity for the posterity. Thus, I have a great sense of satisfaction to put in front of you the soul of this conference. This is the result of 730 plus days of guided hard work put in by innumerable well-wishers and India chapter. In all humility, I thank all those who are here and all those who could not come and sent me innumerable messages for the good conduct of this conference. Thank you so much.